I will show you something, guys. I'm searching one of our cat outside for how many hours. And then, this is, look. Hey! I'm surprised. He's there. How can you climb there? It's gonna go up. Disturbing him. Hi, Cuckoo. It's too high. Hey. Hello. Oh my God. I'm too scared. Get down. Hoy. It's too high. You're not scared? I'm searching for you for how many hours outside and then I can't find you. Huh? Why are you sleeping there? Small box, shoe box. Look at him. OMG. He will go down. He will go down. Let's go eat. Have some dinner. Oh, I will go down. Let's go eat. Let's go eat. Come down. Let's go eat. This is high. See? It's too high. Let's go down. It's too dangerous. You wanna go down? Don't wanna go down. Come down. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Look at the tail. Let's go. Are you okay? Are you okay? What are you doing? Let's go. Let's have some dinner. When I saw him, it's also even the head is hiding. That's why I can't find. And then he's not saying anything. He's not even moving. Luckily, I saw your tail. Your tail is moving. I keep calling your name and then you're not responding. Let's go. Let's eat some food. What happened? I know why you are doing this to me. Because I'm not letting you out. I will let you out tomorrow. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Why your tail is keep moving? Bye. I'm gonna go up more. Oh, I'm too scared. I'm too scared. What is the problem? Let's go. Get down. Why you're not eating? Let's go. Oopsie. Let's go. Let's go now. Bye-bye. Okay, bye. 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 Oh my God. Bye, I will go. I'm going now. I think she don't know. She wants to stay there.